If you would like to see how to get this soft glam look, please keep watching. To start, we're just using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer to get the skin nice and primed and prepped so that all the makeup stays on as long as possible and looks as smooth as possible. Next, we're going to use eye cream under the eye and on top of the lid, followed by eyeshadow insurance or any eyeshadow primer that you have. This is going to make sure that your shadow stays as long as possible and doesn't crease. After she's all prepped and primed, we're going to start with foundation to create our base. Here I'm using the Born This Way foundation by Too Faced. Next, I'm using the Born This Way concealer under the eye and on top of the eye. This is going to create a great base as well to work the eyeshadow into and to conceal any darkness under the eye. Next, we're going to create our crease. I always start off light so I can add more definition as I go. Here we're adding highlight to the top of the cheekbones, followed by blush on the cheekbones. Taking that same highlight, I'm applying it to her eyelids, followed by using bronzer and contour around the perimeter of her face and anywhere that she naturally has shadows to accentuate them. Since we're doing a soft look, I just took a powder to accentuate her eyebrows, followed by mascara. We went with a light lip gloss for this look. And here you have it, our finished look. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.